Hi everyone, I'm Diana from the Layout Designer, and I'm going to share a tip on how to easily and quickly create a fillable grid using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is an interactive PDF that you can share with your clients, within your company, or for personal use. You can create your form anywhere from Canva, PowerPoint, Illustrator, InDesign, really any software where you can create a layout. For my form, I used InDesign. I created a table as a guide, but you don't necessarily need to do this. I exported my file to a PDF. You can save your PDF as interactive if you have more actions that you're using, or print ready is perfectly fine. My grid is a little off center, but that's okay because we can adjust all that in a moment. Now, the first step is to go to File, then Create Form. Then press Start. Now go to your text field icon on the top and drag out a box about the height and width desired. It doesn't need to be precise because we can customize everything in a moment. Once you're done sizing out your box, next right-click and scroll down to create multiple copies. This is where you can quickly create all of the rows and columns you need without having to create individual boxes. Here you can adjust the width, height, and position of your grid. Again, you don't necessarily need to create a grid like I did on InDesign as long as you can visualize, or if you have the exact dimensions you need to where your fillable grid is going to go. In my case, I have a grid because a client also wanted a printed version along with an interactive version. So I'm going to adjust my grid to my liking, and when you're done, just click OK. Now that we're done adjusting, go ahead and click Preview Form. As you can see, my original grid is in the background. In order to delete your grid, you're going to close out of Prepared Form and go to your Toolbox section to Edit PDF. Now you can start deleting your grid. The form fields will not be deleted. If you did not create a grid, you can skip this step and now you have your beautiful interactive form. Thank you so much. Hopefully this tip is helpful, and thank you for watching.